What up, my people? Happy New Year, everyone. I'm on 2025. Grateful, thankful. We can't complain. At least we got our life come out. Yeah. And as long as stay life day, hope day, no go far. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, everyone. And shout out to everyone. God bless you. We got 36 play on the last two episodes on Spotify. In total, God bless you all. God bless you all. Thanks for supporting, listening, sharing, giving your own honest reviews. God bless you all. Ah, man. Hope everywhere, pet. Hope say everywhere cool. Abi. Man, waiting day today now. A lot has been going on, especially this shit only might take effect on the first key, this tax reform thing. Man, it's crazy. I won't lie to you. It's crazy. You've seen like literate people we see them go school, spreading misinformation. Waiting you won't gain. Okay, tell me. Waiting you won't gain. Sometimes make me say do your research. Do your own research by yourself. No dey follow mouth, no dey follow mouth all the time. No dey follow mouth. Sometimes that person might just be saying it or doing it for his own benefit. You think he's fighting for you, she's fighting for you. No, maybe she's fighting for herself. You don't know. For okay, example now, this senator Dino, like I said in my last episode, that this man is fighting that they should abolish the tax, but like, it shouldn't take effect in court, sue the government. Now, you, on the other hand, take pé àjọ wa ń bi trenches yìí ni. We say all of us gotta dey this bottom level, this grassroots level. You dey support am. Why? Because say maybe you no like the president. Na your choice. But at least use your brain. Now, you dey follow the man now. You're thinking the man is fighting for you, thinking you both have the same goal. Meanwhile, the man is fighting for himself. Because I'm sure that man, if you go check, tell am say make e bring in tax documents, payment, everything, make dem audit am, all the Rolls Royce, all the everything, all the properties, everything, but come audit dem. Why pay on default? He no dey pay. You go insure me. If you dey pay, you no go complete. And all those one dey scam the federal government. Now new tax law go encompass everybody. You no fit escape. Before now, part dey pay tax, part no dey pay. No, no matter how you wan talk reach, why one head dey suffer while another? Shebi all of us talk say we dey fight for each other now, say everybody equality. So why you wan other hand make dem dey pay, make you no dey pay? So new tax law, everybody no fit escape. What are the benefits there? But you try read. Now that senator now we say you see say na him head dey fight for. You don follow am. Try to read, try to make your research. You know, go video. You get phone now, you no even need watch news. Just make your own research. Mama tell them, no be everything, especially this reform federal government. We don grow. Now, everybody don understand the reason why our parents then dey always watch news at 10, they no dey miss am. No for we sef, everybody don dey interested, say wetin dey even kpa for this level na, we just dey wetin dey sup. Everybody sef just don dey put mouth say one thing, everybody don grow. Show say you go school, show say you be literate. Okay, now for example, now I saw a tweet. There was this man. He said he just tweeted that he went to his barber. Next thing, his barber put up a notice that blah blah blah. The notice stated that due to the new tax law, the VAT is 7.5%, and that he is going to increase his barbing fee. Yeah, see, the barber might be naive. He doesn't know what he's saying. But you, when you go the barbing salon, wey say na your barber, wey say you be literate, wey you go school, wey say wetin you dey portray on Twitter na say una be scholar, una be Now you no fit carry your barber say barber shey wetin you write na rubbish o, no be like dis o, no be like dis, na like dis. You carry am you come post. Why? Because you wan score point. Cause at the end of the day, not about our interest, not about the people's interest. It's just for the political interest. Na una just do am. Una no care whether the country good or bad. Una just care whether na person dey there. Cause tell me, try tell am no be like dis o, no be like dis omogbon. You sef as you dey, you no dey pay tax o. Say na like dis, na like dis. Now, okay, and on the other hand, the barber himself might know that he's doing wrong, but due to the fact that he knows that okay, people wey dey dis area no too bright, just use am wan curve money. Na Nigeria no for e fit be that instance wan use am wan. At the end of the day now, all those things wey him dey do, wey him dey affect me or you, me wey dey the grass level. Tinubu no dey come down come street come barb na me and you go barb for there. Now see wetin the guy dey do, and you no fit educate am say no be like that o. So why na go school? Honest part, people has access to education in this century are far more than the one in the last century. So why we dey this century come dey why we acting like we are illiterate? Instead of make you dey use your own education educate, you wan score cheap points for Twitter, for followers, for likes, for at the end of the day na all those shit you care for, no be for me, no be for next person now. Okay, now let's go into the new tax law. Let's go into the new tax law. What does it say? And mind you, this tax reform it favors the people more than the elites. It's people centered. Now because of us, say okay, these people no too guide, no dey at all. But make sure say all of them dey pay. No be say na one side dey pay. No be. See, when this tax law came out, some people that read, those people in corporate firms now, they read through it. Some people calculated their own pay and see that e don reduce low-key slightly than last time. Some people wey don do research, they knew all this already. Okay, now under this reform now, individual wey say your total earning yearly na 800k, you no go pay. They exempt you, you no dey part. E mean say if you make money yearly like this now, wey say dem comot all those for pension, medical, you no know normal thing wey dem dey pay go remain. So the remaining one after, if the money na 800k, you no dey pay tax. You no dey pay tax. Like all this minimum wage person sef no fit pay tax. Those people wey say how much be some people gain yearly, wey say their gain no be their total earning no be their gross earning just their profit how many be 800k. So those one like that, dem no dey pay. Business wey say your annual turnover no reach 50 million, you no go pay tax. Okay, make we come go back. That barber now, so that barber wan tell me say him dey make him annual turnover, say the barber wan tell me say him annual turnover reach 50 million. So make the barber say him dey make 50 million, automatically him business no dey pay tax. Now you don go from one thing, you wan charge people wey say you wey you lame now, wey say you no gba research, you no know anything, you go just lock up. You sef go dey pay. See that kind thing. Wetin be VAT? VAT na value added tax. That is all anything we buy, goods and services, we get tax wey we dey pay 7.5%. That one na universal, that one na general. Shey you dey feel me? That one na universal. Everywhere for world na so dem dey pay. Maybe say you go buy clothes, you go buy bata, you go buy anything wey you go buy, or services, say transportation you go healthcare you go dey render service, you go pay VAT on top everything. Na wetin VAT mean be that, value added tax. Now on 5 aspects, dem don comot VAT on top those things. Dem don comot all the VAT. You no dey pay VAT. You sef see am. Okay, wetin be VAT? VAT na value added tax. That is all goods, anything wey we buy or any service wey we offer, government dey charge tax 7.5%. which na universal for world, na everywhere dem dey do am. Na every country get their own. 5 aspect come dey wey say dem don turn the tax to zero rated. 5 aspect, I go explain the zero rated give you, shey you dey feel me. Food, transportation, rent, healthcare, education. Those 5 things now, make I use the tax man, make I use the example. You dey buy bread, bake bread rather, you dey sell bread. Dat bread you no go pay VAT on top am at all. Before too na exempt, dem comot am too before, but the difference between before and now be say dat bread on a normal day dat man no go add VAT to dat bread, but all those things wey you use wey be raw materials, all those things dem get VAT. And normal man wey pay VAT on all those things, as a businessman normal level, you go calculate the VAT join body, come add your gain join, na him you go put as price. But now all those things wey you buy, all those raw material before dem dey call am exempt, say dem exempt am, the bread dem exempt am, but now the bread na zero rated. E mean say all those things wey dat man buy, wey be raw material wey say do dat bread, federal government go refund am give am 100%. So you see say those VAT before those VAT him go calculate am with him bread before he join him profit, but now dem don comot am. So any bread man like this now wey still dey do that level, you know say him dey thief. Na him dey make things hard for us, no be government. You don see that kind level now, shey you don see the difference. Agriculture zero rated too. The man dey talk say if you start agriculture today, agric business this 2026, you no go pay tax at all for 5 years, first 5 years. All those things wey you need, most of the raw materials wey you need, dem no dey collect VAT on top am again. Before VAT dey on top, all those fertilizer, all those, then VAT no dey on top am again now. So farmer now wey come still increase him rice, you know say we go hold am say na him dey use life hold house, no be say na government. You see say all those money wey government dey comot now, e suppose help am, e don help am in business now. But as a Nigerian wey be Nigeria, only tuma make you still dey do am like that, dey go say all these people no sabi. So we sef we need to learn, and we need to keep people in check for this grassroots level. Na me and you dey now, na us, just us. How we go make the country work? So you see all those things, food, school now, school, anything wey dem incur, wey dem buy to make the school work, all the VAT wey dem pay on top am, federal government now from January 1 2026 go refund dem back. All school bus dem go refund dem back o. So you see say all those things now, e suppose get effect on school fees. School fees suppose come down. So if school fees no come down now, who we go hold? Shey na federal government or na the school? So automatically now, price of textbooks suppose come down slightly. At least all those VAT, federal government go return am, so make dem no add am on top their business the way dem dey add before. Price of normal pen, biro, all those shit come down. Price of transportation for school bus suppose come down. And no forget to petrol sef don come down o. No forget those two things o. Like that we dey see the effect of the reform of the tax reform. You see say at the end of the day, to people wey dey grassroots level, one way or the other, na less stress, no be more stress. This tax reform, first 800k, that is your profit you make yearly. Wole tax here zero, they can't tax you. If you're making 100k, for example, now if you're making 100k, your salary is 100k monthly. Yearly, that was 1.2 million. By the time they deduct all the normal deductible expenses, let's say you are now left with 1 million naira. You know 1 million naira now is your profit. Out of that 1 million naira, 800k, they no go tax am. Shey you dey feel me? the tax dem go tax na on top 200k. We don explain VAT before. The one wey I dey explain now with that 1 million naira, that one na PIT, that one na personal income tax. Shey the one wey I just dey explain now, that one na personal income tax. Wey come explain CIT, that one na company income tax. Small company, all those small business wey your turnover annually, your total money wey you dey earn no enter 50 million, 200 million, say e no enter, you no go pay tax at all. Shey you dey feel me? Company wey say dem dey earn above, na those one go dey pay tax. This tax thing for those companies sef, dem sef get their benefit. At least they said if you employ more people, I guess say dem go reduce their tax from 30% to 25% in the space of 2 years. If they employ people, now they say put narration, they go audit your bank account. One person even say your account, say you go explain how money dey come your account. All those things no be for everybody, no be general thing. They don talk am. Individual account wey say quarterly inside 12 months, that is quarterly, in 3 months, 25 million, you do transaction of 25 million enter account. Say na those kind people make dem dey make bank report their statement give that tax man. Do you understand? Same for corporate companies. Any company wey in 3 months wey 100 million enter their account, make dem report those kind people to give them. No be everybody. That's quarterly o. So yearly 100 million, that's 400 million. For personal account, it mean say if 200 million enter your account, I mean 100 million rather, if 100 million enter your account, and you dey go share your report give all these tax people, say okay o, make dem come check am o. And how many people make we dey realistic now, we know country wey we dey now, how many people dey run that kind pay? Government no even get that capacity. Shey you know how many we be? 200 million, okay, let's say 200 million, make I cut am small, 25% or 50%. Let's say 25%, that's 50 million. Say 50 million last one, say they wan audit 50 million people account. You no know the kind amount wey they go need. And they wan imagine you wey say once they audit your account na 4k the government gain. Shey na you they go come waste those? No, na why dem say they get the people wey say dem target, wey say dem know. No be general thing. Okay, con ten t creator now wey say they withdraw 10k dollars every month, or 12k or 7k, wey no wan pay tax. Meanwhile, on normal person wey dey work 120k job, 150k job, that one dey pay tax. Come on, office apakan na one part dey pay, na the other part dey no dey pay. Meanwhile, the other part sef fit dey make more pass people wey say dem dey pay. Nobody go there are so many dey talk say put gift, look, gift 20 million gift as how? Shey na every time wey dem send you money dem wan dey put food gift? Shey you no even dey do anything pass make you shop, make you collect gift? Stamp duty sef under this new tax law, stamp duty maybe dem send you 10k, you know say na dem go comot 15 naira, na 9,950 naira dem go credit you. But now na person wey dey send am na him go chop the money. So no be say now you go buy something for those people go say 50 naira see o. No, ẹ má worry, wọ́n máa yọ. You don know say dem dey comot am. Make nobody fraud anybody. Every naira matters. You get one now, CRA, that's what are they calling it? Consolidated relief allowance. No be say dem change am o. E don dey before, but na that before dem no need proof. That one you fit lie. But this one now, 20% cap at 500k. E mean say this new CRA wey I dey talk now, your rent yearly, you fit calculate am 20% comot am for your tax wey you wan pay. Shey you dey feel me? If your rent yearly now na let's say 1.2 million, if you calculate 1.2 20% 1.2 10% na 10% 1.2 na 120k. Okay, 20% na 240k. E mean say you fit comot 240k from your tax yearly, you fit comot 200k from am make you no pay am, but proof you go show proof. You go prove, you go dey show proof. You no go just say na like this that day, but you no fit pass 500k wey say government go give you. So if your rent now, you wey say you dey pay some kind money per year wey say 20% of your rent pass 500k, government no fit give pass 500k wey you go comot from your tax wey you wan pay. Na the CRA be that. Now e get FGN bond and insurance. All those one na tax free now. If you borrow federal government money wey say government gon give you come dey pay you back, pay you, the money wey you borrow, dem no fit comot tax on top am. The money wey you earn as interest on top am, dem no fit comot money on top am. Insurance sef, if all this last insurance payout, government no fit comot any money. Wetin approve insurance benefit like all this inheritance and co, dem no fit collect, government no fit collect any tax on time. Retirement savings, if you retire dem come give you all the savings for retirement, government no fit collect money. Na tax free be all those one. Na tax free. All those one na tax free. Gift sef na tax free. Dem no fit tax gift. Some people now, their bank dey send them message say individual account 500k. If you withdraw cash 500k weekly, dem go comot 3%, and for corporate 5 million weekly dem go comot. That one don dey before. And you sef, wetin you wan dey use plenty cash do? Plenty cash. You sef, you no fear for your life for this kind country. Imagine say you dey okay, wetin you wan do with the cash wey, with more than 500k cash wey transfer wey you no go fit sort? Now make you come go, who dey collect this money? All money wey dem see for VAT, that's value added tax, all the money, federal government, the new tax reform, federal government go dey comot 10%. Before na 15% dem dey comot, but under the new tax reform wey man reduce 10%. State go collect 55%. Local government go collect 35%. The amount go vary depending on how una dey earn. Shey you dey feel me? Shey you see shey your value added tax, all those 7.5 money wey dey, those value added tax wey dey on top goods and services, state dey collect 55%, while your local government go collect 35%. That is all your local government chairman wey dey grassroots with you, 35% dem dey collect on top that VAT. Dem dey collect pass federal. Your personal income interest abi wetin, your PIT now, na state dey collect everything 100%. Shey you dey feel me? PIT na all those tax wey you monthly earners wey say you dey work for corporate firm or for government work, all the tax wey you pay na state dey collect am 100%. State come dey give local government 10 to 20% out of am, depending on how the money take come from their side. So you don see say basically the money wey me and you dey pay, wey say dey come from us gangan, na state government and local government dey collect am pass. Those one na im dey with us. Your local government chairman, you fit see am for beer parlour, you fit see am for bar, you fit see am for lounge. Shey you don see now, federal government far from us, dem far. Dem make out of all the money wey say we wey dey comot our pocket wey we dey pay, state na im dey collect majority, and local government. Na all this company tax na im federal government dey see money, all those import duties thing. Na state and local dey collect most of the major. wey say we be the people wey say directly come from us na state. Na why you dey see say all dis state government people say state governor dem no dey play because say money dey state. You see Wike say even those people wey say e don turn minister, e still dey shook eye for that state because say money wey state government dey see. Before I no know whether federal government dey pay state wey say na state go come disburse money for local government, but in new tax even the president even talk am. President even talk am say if una no wan pay na local government, say from e go dey pay them directly the 35%. So from next year like this now, the 35% out of the VAT na your local government chairman go dey collect am directly to im aza. 55% na state government go dey comot am, na 10% federal government dey comot. The PIT, that is all that money wey you dey pay wey dem dey comot for your salary every month yearly, na your state government dey control that one, dey collect that one 100%. That one come fit dey give your local government 10 to 20% depending on how im local government take bring money. Shey you come understand now. Na why you see this minister now, e still shook eye for im state, you know, because dem know the amount wey the state make we see most of the time make I no tell una the problem sef no be federal government. By the time you dey check all this policy, you go see say the problem na your local government chairman and your state government. Na you elect them, you know your local government chairman. Now dem dey pay una directly, so make no local government chairman dey do pepe project. No, you go do major project the way dem dey pay you. State governor, those one don even like fuck state government. Governor useless. If all these governor for this country dey ready to work, we no go even fall for federal project wey say dem dey see money. So make you make now, you see say the tax wey dey comot from your pocket now, wey say you dey debit, wey say personally, no be Tinubu you go call o, no be Tinubu o, na 10% Tinubu dey comot o. Na that your state governor dey comot 55, your local government chairman nínú àdúgbò yín 35%. Na those one you go hold. You wey dey monthly earner wey say all your salary, no be Tinubu o. Tinubu no dey comot 5 naira o. Na your state government na im dey control that one 100%. That one fit come pay your local government chairman 10 to 20%. Na so e suppose be. You dey feel me? That's that. So instead of spreading misinformation, let's take time to educate each other, help each other. Okay, no be so. Matter of fact, wan help any o. Like that reform should show, it should have impact in the grassroots level. Ó yẹ káwọn kankan reduce. Tí kò bá ṣe pé bọ tiwantiwa Nigerians, we go do like Nigerians. The tax now, your VAT, state government dey collect 55%, local government dey collect 35%. Your PIT, that is that pay money wey you dey comot monthly, wey dem dey comot monthly for your salary, your state government na im dey collect 100%. From CIT, that is money wey tax wey federal government charge from companies, your state government dey collect 26.7% out of am. Petroleum profit, that is money tax wey dem see on top petroleum profit, the tax wey dem see on top, your state government dey collect 26.7% out of am too. That company CIT and PPT, that is the tax wey company dey pay na im be CIT. Your local government dey collect 20.6%. The PPT na im say the profit tax wey dem see on top petrol. Your local government dey collect 20.6% out of the money. So now you see say the money near you, the money no far from you. The money no be the federal government, the money dey the state and the local government. The one wey dey their hand, okay, yeah, we go hold federal government too because say you sef see money. Because I under money wey you see for CIT and PPT, na 50-something%. So we go still, but me, the one wey near us, the one wey dey in our hand, oya make una start to dey use am work. Make dem dey accountable for grassroots level. Okay, I see one video too, one governor dey blame federal government, say federal government no supply water. Bro, for 1999 constitution that water supply for local use e dey under residual list. Shey you dey feel me? And residual list na something, na list wey say federal government no get power on top, wey say na state government na dem get power on top am. Water supply dey part of am o. So all those things like chieftaincy title, those regulation of all these restaurant, tourism center, all those state cultural affairs, anything state, those water supply fall under those residual list o for constitution, wey say na state government duty. Our governor now wan dey accuse federal government. Im people wey no know about this constitution, this line, go think say im dey talk truth. Dem no know say na im no wan do im work. Out of all the money wey dem dey see, maybe I fit talk about the tax reform be that o. Oloun, make we dey help each other now. So no dey spread misinformation. You fit check online, ChatGPT dey, this thing dey, Grok dey, all those things dey. Na simple thing, no go far. And if you know person wey you know say no be you fit, na why you be literate, educate am. Thank you for listening. And shout out to Ayo, Ayo, he helped me get some material on this thing. And Sefia also, shout out to Sefia. She said, I heard it there. They helped me with some materials also. God bless you all. Till next time. Happy New Year once again. This year go better. So me, I get one suggestion now. Shey you dey feel me? Once you buy some things, especially food or all those things wey say dem charge you VAT, snap the receipt, post am like na Twitter, make we tag all these NRS, revenue service, and all these people wey dey in charge of tax too, make dem see. Dem don dey charge you. Na all of us, we gats work together. Once you see say you go some place, dey charge you for food, charge you for all those things, you fit don tear am for there say no be so dem dey do am. Say yayin, we no tax reform, we know wetin talk. Make ogun no kill una with wetin I dey try. After I don drag am like that, you fit come snap am, post am online, tag all these people. That tag ló máa jẹ. Shey you dey feel me? Peace out, blessings. Steady me, man.